Hey crafty friends! Welcome to Fun Paper Art. Today I will be sharing with you a couple of connectors and charms that I created using these beautiful pink tools from Beebeecraft, and I will make sure to have links to them in the description box in case you are interested. And I will also include in the description box my coupon code to save $5 on orders over $40 on their website, and the coupon code is FUNPAPER5. Let me start by sharing the connectors. Here is the first one, super cute pink bead. Then I created this one here. This one has a pink bead and a pink heishi bead. Then this one has a pink bead and a light pink heishi bead. Then I created this aqua with this white heishi bead. I created this white iridescent with a light pink heishi bead. Then I created this one here. And I have two of them. Then this one here, kind of transparent pink and a light pink heishi bead. Then this aqua bead with the aqua heishi bead. And here are my charms. I think they turned out super cute. I did use some leather beads, and at the ends I did use these golden beads from Hobby Lobby. Between the leathers I do have pink seed beads. Super cute, right? And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I would love to have you in the Fun Paper Art family. I wish you all a lovely day, and I hope to talk to you pretty soon. Bye bye!